Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable microphone in screen recording on iPhone 16. Swipe from the right top part of your screen to reveal the control center. Here I have my screen recording icon. If you don't have it, click on plus, then add a control and add screen recording. Then it will show somewhere, you can place it wherever you want. Then, to edit its settings, press and hold on it. And to enable microphone, just click on it. Now it's on and now it's off. I'm gonna enable it, then start recording, and in 3 seconds it starts recording. And now it records what I'm saying. To stop recording, click on the dynamic island, then click on pause. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.